Welcome back sa ating last game. This is battle. Ay, dito mo na bro. Dito. Sorry. Dito bro, sa block. Sorry, thank you. Last game sa ating laban, Xavier versus LaSalle Green Hills. Good luck, both team.
Bago na.
Oh, di, tagal na. Ito.
Sino nag-sponsor?
Ito. Pakala. Oh. Good luck. Maraming salamat po sa inyong walang sawang pagsuporta at panonood ng aking live. Pagpasensya niyo na aking mga boses. shout out sa aking kumpare, yan, Jasper Ledesma. Dito na tayo sa ating main event, LaSalle Green Hills versus the Xavier School. Ang aking backup. Wala na. Kailangan ko talaga na, hindi ko nadala yung ano ko eh.
Alin?
Extension ko eh.
Kaya ito?
Pwede tayo. Sige.
Ito, tabi tayo.
Itong. Tingin sila ba? Ayan, shoutout po from both team, especially rin sa Xavier and LaSalle. Sa aking kanan, ang LaSalle Green Hills, ang mga naka-green. At ang aking kaliwa naman, ang Xavier School. Maririnig kita. Sorry. Maririnig kita dito. Ayan, sa aking kaliwang Xavier. Good luck both team. May load ka naman, no bro? Okay, sige. Patayin ko muna ito. Check mo ha. Jump ball tayo. Uy, first ball mapupunta sa Xavier. Number 77, handoff to number 27. Number 15, high pick up, binigay. Up and under and one with a flex. Ay, number 16.
Miss you.
That is you or Uy Adi. Ngayon lang ulit nakapag-live sa dito sa Xavier. Ayan na. Number 11. Out of bounds. Bola ng Xavier. Number 6 to number 16. Number 77. Step back 3. No good. Rebound. Makakukuha ng mga naka-green shirt. Number 12. De Guzman. Gagawan. And jam ball. Grabe ang pisikalan. Parehas na team. Parehong ayaw magpatalo.
Finals na ba?
Hindi pa siya. Elimination pa lang to. Pero grabe. Ayan, kasama ko. Ikaw na magiging kasamang commentator, pre. Hindi ko masyado nababasa yung iba eh. Ang number eh. Sige, check mo ha. Side. Oh, steal! Number 6, go all the way. No good. With a putback by number 27. Ay na, pressure defense ng home team. Number 11. Number 20. Basket yan. Para sa Lasal. Number 77 to number 16. Pass to number 6. Number 6 to number 77. Ooh. Ganda. There's a foul.
Full court pressure ka.
Show. Number 16 inbound. Ayan ko na yung oras pa. Show. Stop and bomb. Wala. Rebound. Number 12. To number 10. Sorry, that's number 11. Log 2. Log 2. Pass to number 10. Reyes. Oh. That's a traveling violation. Uy. Oh, nagkaka-physical na sa simula pa lang. The rivalry, Lasal and Xavier. Number 16, pass to Cho. Cho, i-discarte. Oh, steal. Look to 2 against 3. Oh, 2 against 1. Oy, no good. Rebound by Cho. Manders and foul. Last 7 minutes tayo. Uy, nagagawan. Makukuha. What a hustle para sa Lasal. Number 18. Uy, side step. Grabe.
Di pinasi. Libre na eh.
Uy, pumasok ba? Araw pumasok. Ay, di. Parang pumasok ba? Hindi ko naman sin. Hindi, yung binaba. Okay, jumble tayo. Kanina mapupunta sa Lasal. 6 minutes and 46 seconds. Number 12. Nasa sa corner. 4-2. No good. Rebound by number 16. Uy. Ayun ang pressure defense. Number 6. Number 6, handoff to Cho. Cho, tere-derecho, and 1! Basket count and one by Cho, number 77. Let's go, grabe, dikit lang lang. Pisikalan na pisikalan. Bonus shot para kay Cho. No good, rebound. Oh, steal by number 27. Pass to number 6. Ayun na, number 16. Sumalaksak. Binale, no good. Rebound, number 27. No good. Another offensive rebound. Steal by Lugto. Lugto nagmamadali. Ayun na, dire-diretso. Binigay sa corner. Fake. Step back 3. No good. Rebound by number 10. Reyes. No good. And out of bounds.
Bitin pa nga.
Grabe. Bola ng Lasal. Lugto setting on the play. Lugto spin, pass to Esomchi, 4-3. No good. Rebound by number 16. Number 16, nagmamadali. Kick out. Pass to number 8. 4-3. In and out. Rebound by Esomchi. Pass to Lugto. Binigay sa loob. Number 40. No good. Rebound by number 8. Outlet pass. Number 6. All the way. Yes, sir. Para kay Cole. Time out dito ang Lating Lasal Green Hills. 6 minutes and 51 seconds. Ito muna tayo sa Lasal. Official score is 8-12-2.
Lakas na nasa inyo, ha?
Ay, sana slow. Ha? Sorry, shoutout kay Apple Padilla. Sabi niya, ay, sana slow kayo. Ano? Sino ang Apple Padilla?
Ewan ko.
Sorry po sana slow. Alright, back to the ball game. Four minutes and 51 seconds remaining sa ating first quarter. Bola dito ng ating Lasal Green Hills. Lugto with a double team. Esomchi makukuha. Outlet pass. Hernandez for 3. Yes, sir! Para sa 3. By Hernandez. Pinasok na rin para sa Lasal. Ay na, show, side step, no good. Rebound, number 27, nagagawan. And that's a jam ball. Time out. Xavier School. Official score is 8-5. Okay, back to the ball game. Bola dito ng Xavier School. Number 8, bounce pass to Cho. Sinigay. Number 27, to Cho. Spin to Mira. No good. Rebound.
Sakto na rin yun.
3 minutes and 48 seconds. Bola dito ng Xavier. Ko to number 8. Jump shot. No good. Rebound by Paras. Number 11. Nabitawan. And out of bounds.
Ayaw muna kasi set up niya ano eh. Nilog to eh.
Bola ng Lasal. Esomchi. One hand shot. No good. And there's a foul. Sia maglalabas ng bola. Back to Sia. Tuko. Outlet pass. Steal by Luke. Oh, sorry, that's number 27. Pass to Hernandez. To number 11. Luke to crossover. Back to Esomchi. Esomchi with a strong drive.
Ano lang oh.
Nabasa isang lamang ng home team. Show. Pass to number 8. Tuko. Show. Tumira, no good, rebound. Number 8, no good, rebound by Paras. Pass to Logto. Logto, pass to Hernandez. Hernandez, 4-3. No good. Rebound, with a putback by Paras. Change, favor, lamang na ang Lasal Green Hills. Number 7, pass to number 6, to number 8. Sumalaksak, tumira, wala, rebound, block, right, Paras. Paras to Logto. Logto, inababa ang bola. Setting on the play. Logto, stop and pop, in and out. Rebound by number 5. Shoot to number 5, Sia. Pass to Ko. Binigay sa corner. Sia. Ko. Sia. Sa loob. Drop pass to number 7. Basket. Unselfish play para sa Xavier. Balik sa Xavier ang kalamangan. Logto. Number 27. Hernandez with the fake pass to Logto. Logto sidestep. Ooh. That's a blocking foul. There's a foul. Who's foul rep? Time remaining 1 minute and 10 seconds. Shooting the line in jersey number 11. That is Logto. First shot is good. Tabla tayo sa 10. Second shot. Basket yan. Balik ang kalamangan sa Lasal Green Hills. Penalty. Lasal Green Hills under penalty situation. Shoot on the line in jersey number 40. First shot is good. Second shot, no good. Rebound ng LaSalle Green Hills. Number 5. Talusan. There's a foul. Hernandez looking for the pass. Paras, hand off to Hernandez. Hernandez sumalaksak, up and under, no good. Rebound, steal by number 7. Number 16. Pass to number 5. Crossover, high pick up, tumira, wala. Rebound, makukuha. There's a foul. Last 30 seconds. Shooting on the line, jersey number 8. Basa mo?
Ano?
Pangalan, basa mo 8.
8? Hindi masyado eh.
Boy labo. Ano rin pa? Okay. Hindi ko basa. Second shot para jersey number 8.
Nakapa yung pangalan eh.
Alam ko to, dalawa pangalan eh. Hand off, Esomchi. Hand off to number 27. Talusan to Hernandez. Hernandez with a cross. Oh, steal. Number 5. Oh. .5 seconds remaining. Sia on the free throw area. First shot is good. Sia, second shot, 2 for 2. Last 10 seconds, Esomchi. Oh, steal! You, number 16. Fade away shot. Running shot, no good. End of the first quarter. Fisher scores 14-11 in favor of the Xavier School. Okay, tayo dadawa na sa ating second quarter. Lamang ng 3 ang home team.
Meron pa itong kasunod. May kasunod pa.
Wala na. Last game na siya.
Ano?
Okay, back to the ball game. Tayo dadaw na sa ating second quarter. Good luck. Reyes. Pass to Talusan. Talusan to number 18. Hand off to Reyes. Reyes running shot and one. Oopsie, walang tawag. Sa baba pa lang daw, sabi ng ating referee. Substitution, Vergara. Sorry. 21. Legarde. Coming in. Number 19, hand off to number 10, Reyes. To Golyab. Pass to Reyes, bounce pass. Oy, what a finger, pick and roll. What a try. Step in on the line para sa Las Xavier. Bola mapupunta sa green shirt. Number 17, kick out. Number 10, Reyes. To number 18, pass to Reyes. To number 18, 4-3, no good. Rebound. Golyab and...
Hindi pa pumasok.
And there's a foul. Shooting at the line by Golyab. First shot is good. Tabla tayo sa 14. Second shot, no good. Rebound by Reyes. Reyes sumalaksak, no good. Rebound. Makakuha na ng Xavier. Wait lang po Alright, back to the ball game. Ito na ang pressure defense ng LaSalle. Man-to-man defense. Bola ng... Oy, nakakuha ng bola. You. Pass to number 8, top of the key. Basket is good. Benedicto. Number 10, Reyes. Pass to Gonzalez. Kick out to Reyes. Top of the key, 4-3. No good. Rebound by Talusan. Pass to Reyes. Reyes. Kick out. Talusan, 4-3. Short. Rebound by you. Benedicto. Kick out, number 21, Legarda. 4-3, in and out. Rebound by number 17. Pinagay. De Guzman, no good. Rebound by Legarda. Outlet pass, side step, nabitawan, and there's a foul. Grabe yun.
Daming foul.
Shooting in the line, jersey number 16, Herrero, 19. Good. Second shot para kay number 19. Basket is good. 4-point lead para sa Xavier. Number 12 coming in. 6 minutes and 45 seconds. Reyes. Strong drive, basket. You. Pass to D, crossover. Ooh. Pass to number 19. Out of bounds, bola ng Lasal. Dalusan to number 12. Bounce pass, Esomchi for the corner 3, no good. Rebound by Shaw. Pass to Ayu. Nabitawan, steal by number 12. Outlet pass. Oh, no good, steal. Right Shaw. Shaw sa malaksak. Oh, there's a foul. The line, jersey number 77, Shaw. First shot is good. 19-16. Two for two. 20-16. Log to Didiskarte. Antonio, pinasok pa rin po. Log to up and under. Basket. Down by 2. Shoot. Ay na. Derecho. Legarda. Or Legarde rather. Number 77. Hand off. Shoot. There's a foul. Time remaining 4 minutes and 3 seconds. Penalty. Wala tayong penalty. Shoot. Oy, catch and shoot. No good. Rebound number 27 para sa putback. Number 12. Number 7. Tulog to. Log pupunta sa kaliwa. And there's a foul. Minutes and 30 seconds. Log to fake. Log to number 12. Kick out. Pass to Gonzalez. Kick out, number 7 for 3. No good. Rebound. Last touch. Bola dito. Mapupunta sa Lasal. Number 12. Tulutoy. Step in the line. Tawag yun ng ating referee. Garcia. Pass to Shaw. There's a foul. Time out. Lasal Green Hills. All right, back to the ball game. Shout out Raymond Liao. Ayan, Coach Liao is watching. So, tatanggap ng bola. Pass to Ko. Using the glass. No good. Rebound. Mapupunta. Uy! There's a foul. Yun. Tatamaan natas yan. San Antonio, no? Hinigit eh.
Bumitaw. Umano siya eh. Bumitaw
Yun ang tawag na ating referee. Tingnan natin. Kung anong desisyon ng ating mga referee. Wala silang ano eh. Hindi natin alam po anong husga ng ating mga referee.
Wala silang ano, commentator. Ejected ata siya.
Ejected?
Oo.
Ang sabi ng referee?
Ayun. Nilabas na siya eh.
Ah, nalabas? Out of the playing court? Sino?
Yung number 15.
Ah, number 15.
Ejected na ata siya eh.
Out of the playing court ba? Sige, bahala na sila dyan.
Parang ejected na.
Basket para kay Antonio. Shoutout kay
Ejected na
Amang
siya kasi
Precious.
ano eh. Bumitaw siya ng
Valencia.
sapak eh.
Ah, sumuntok eh.
Oo, sumuntok siya eh.
Sumuntok?
Ejected na siya.
Yun lang.
Hindi siya bumitaw ng... Nag-ano po siya eh. Umispace siya ng sapak eh.
Pisikalan na yung game kanina. Load to. Kick out, number 5. Shaw. yan eh. Security. Tignan mo.
Hindi ko alam.
Ah, okay. Hindi. Baka sa labas.
Oo, baka yung sasakyan lang.
Sasakyan. First shot is good para Sho. Sho. Second shot is good. Good to. Uy! Kuya mo na! Good. Gonzalez. Number 7 to Logdo. Logdo. What an extra pass. Antonio fadeaway shot. No good. Rebound. Number 16. Uy, you.
Shot.
Pass to Cho. 4-3. No good. Rebound by Antonio. Pass to Logdo. Logdo sa malaksak. And there's a traveling violation. Ang tawag ng ating referee doon. Time remaining 1 minute sa ating first half. Number 5. Tucho, back to number 5. Number 5. Tucho. Shot. Crossover. Jump shot. In and out. Rebound by Antonio. Pass to Logdo. Binigay. Up and under. And there's a foul. Shooting at the line, jersey number 8, Hernandez. First shot para kay Hernandez. Uy, no good. Time remaining, last 37 seconds. Hernandez, in and out. Ooh, offensive rebound by Antonio. And there's a foul. Shooting at the line, jersey number 16, Antonio. First shot, no good. Second shot para kay Antonio. Oh, basket. Baba sa 6 ang kalamangan ng Xavier. 26-20. Oh, sorry, that's number 14. You pass to Sho. Sho. What an extra pass to Benedicto. Time out, Lasal Green Hills. Time remaining, last 24 seconds. Tingnan natin ang huddle ng Lasal dito. Ocho nilang lamang, oh. Back to the ball game. Last 24 seconds remaining. Bola rito. Ayan na. Ang Lasala. Lugto. Diskarte. Kick out. Step back by Hernandez. Short. Rebound. Ni Yu. Pass to Cho. Pass to Benedicto. Yu. 4-3. End of the first half. Official score 28-20 in favor of the Xavier School. Okay, halftime tayo. Baka may gusto kayo shoutout, comment down below lamang po. Shoutout po sa pamilya Yu. And a shoutout from both team na sa mga parents na kasama natin dito. Ayan. Hello po, hello. And shoutout syempre kasama ko.
Idol.
John Jasper Ledesma, ang aking kumpare. Ayan, maraming salamat pre. Ayan, survive ko ako. Lobat na ako kanina pa. Ayan, sa mga nanonood po natin live, maraming pong salamat sa mga parents po. Comment down below lamang po sa inyong mga suggestion or comment at ating mababasa po yan. Sisigapin mabasa. Ayan, pasensya na, haggard ito.
Pang araw-araw din may live ba?
Salasal sila kanina eh. Ay, wait lang. Oh yeah, nanalo sila. Back to... Diba yung nabot naman?
Dinamaan siya.
Kaya may technical eh. Step back to short. Out of bounds.
Tsaka kung di man tamaan yun, basta nagbato siya ng ng isa pa. Ejected pa rin yun.
Number 12. Sa corner, log to 4-3. No good. Rebound by number 27. Pass to number 16. Yu 4-3. No good. Rebound by Gonzalez. Reyes. Hand off to Lugto.
Shot!
Pass to Reyes, 4-3. Wala. Rebound para kay Yu. Oopsie. There's a foul, number 16. Sorry. Number 12.
chin foul yun eh. Oh, hindi, blocking foul pala.
So, pass to Benedicto. Binigay kay Hugh. Pinasa loob, number 27. No good. Rebound by Gonzalez. Gonzalez, pass to Reyes. Reyes sumalaksak and there's a foul.
Salaksak agad eh.
Reyes on the free throw area. No good. Time remaining po natin 8 minutes and 7 seconds. Reyes basket. 28-21. So, pass to Benedicto. Steal by Logo. Logo all the way. 28-23. Babasal na lamang. Ang lamang. You from the corner. 3. Ooh. May hila doon. Sabi nating referee.
Lapit!
Look to. Crossover.
Mapasalas! Sayang!
Mapasayang. Kasama ko dito. Anong call doon? Step in?
Hindi, traveling.
Traveling violation. Uy, Benedicto to Cho. Pass to you. To Cho. Cho. Jump shot. No good. Rebound by Benedicto. Pass to Ko. To you. Pass sa loob. Number 27. And that's a traveling violation. Dito ng Lasal, Green Hills. Logo, binigay sa loob. Gonzalez. Sorry, that's Reyes. No good. You. Nabitawan. Benedicto. Pass to number 41. Number 27. Cho. To Ong for 3. No good. Out of bounds. Bola dito ng Lasal, Green Hills. Logo, pass to Reyes. Reyes, side step. Oy, no good. Rebound by number 27. Uy! Nangyari. Ayan na. Alright, time out tayo. Sobra na ang intense lang natin.
Ano ba yung ginawa?
Sige na, marireview ko nila mamaya eh. End natin ito mamaya sa third quarter. Fisher scores 23-28, 5-point lead para sa Xavier School. Grabe, intense talaga ang basketball at pisikalan. Alright, back to the ball game. Bola dito, ilang Xavier. So, pass to Benedicto. Number 27. Number 5, backdoor pass to number 77. To Benedicto sa gitna. Wala, rebound by Paras. Ay na si Lugto. Lugto didiskarte. Pass to Reyes. Reyes, pass to Lugto. Pinasa loob. What a nice interception there by number 27. Nabasa ang depensa. Ang opensa ng Lasal. Number 27. Steal by number 27. Pass to number 5. Oh, steal almost ni Paras. Naka-recover number 27. Nakalusot si number 27. 30-23. Lugto to number 27. Pass to Reyes. Reyes, bounce pass to Paras. Catch and shoot, no good. Ooh, last touch. Bola mapupunta sa Xavier.
Wala, ito sa laban kasi talaga.
Atensyon ko, idol. Sige, 10% na lang.
Number 5, boy! That's a traveling violation. Time remaining 3 minutes and 54 seconds. Somchi maglalabas ng bola. Tulog to Somchi. Number 27, pass to Lugto. Crossover, pass to Paras. Paras to Lugto. Fake. Lugto. Oy, steal. Aira. Derecho. Oh, no! Basket count and one. By jersey number 41 on. Ito ang kanyang daddy at mami dito sa gilid.
Ganda ng laban.
3 minutes and 15 seconds. Basket count. Bonus free throw para kay Ong. No good. Rebound by Paras. Talusan. Setting on the play. Pass to Reyes. Reyes. Bigay sa corner. Reyes. Hand off. Hernandez for 3. No good. Rebound by Ong. Ong. Pass to Shaw. Shaw. Side step. Tumira. Wala. Rebound by Paras. Pass to Talusan. Reyes. Somchi sa loob. Kick out. Oh, steal. Number 77. Pass to Ong. Oh. There's a foul. Ong maglalabas ng bola. Sino tatanggap? Bibigay sa loob. Oy, munti ka na magawan. You. Pass to Ong. Ong, kick out. You fake. Tumira. No good. Rebound by Lugto. Ayan na, si Lugto nagpapadali. Lugto. Top of the key for 3. Yes, sir. sorry, that's number 12.
Busy load to.
Sino yung number 12? Sorry. Check mo.
Busy load to you.
Wala na pala yung point yun. Parehas. Sorry, correction. Number. Ang pangalan niya? Sorry.
Hindi ko alam eh. Ang liit kasi ng pangalan.
Lagaan niyo. Nagaan niyo po. Sige, sige. Nagaan niyo. Natin bago niyo po, no? Bago player. Using the glass. Wala. Rebound by Naganyo. And there's a foul.
Making foul.
Thank you po. Ito, Naganyo. Kita ko na, bro. Last 1 minute and 3 seconds. Talusan to Esomchi. Paso Naganyo. Kick out to Talusan. Hand off to Paras. Naganyo setting on the play. Kick out. Talusan top of the key for 3. In and out. Rebound by Benedicto. Pass to you. Ong didiskarte. Ong. Kick out. Oh, block by Esomchi. Time remaining. 3 seconds shot clock to shoot. Ong. Pass to Benedicto. Benedicto. Spin. And that's a traveling violation. Last 17.4 seconds. Talusan, pass to Naganyo. Back to Talusan. To Hernandez. Naganyo from the elbow. Yes, para sa tres. End of the third quarter. Official score.
32, 29.
29 lang ba? Sorry. Iba yung number ko. Sorry.
32.
Okay. Official score 32-29. Grabe. What a buzzer beater para kay Naganyo. Cut mo muna tayo ng ating live. Babalik tayo.
Third quarter na. Third quarter na.
Sige, tapusin na natin hanggang dulo. Hindi na ako magka-cut. Cut ko sana eh.
Fourth quarter na ata eh.
Fourth quarter na.
Fourth quarter na.
Alright. Back to the ball game. Fourth quarter, 3-point lead para sa home team. Talusan to Esomchi. Hand off to Hernandez. Back to Talusan. Uy, Esomchi, binomba, sumabay, and there's a basket.
Isa na lang.
1-point lead para sa home team. Let's go. Show, pass to number 19. Pass to number 19. Block by Paras. Rebound by Talusan. Bigay kay Hernandez. Paras. Kick out. Ayan si Hernandez. Kaliwa. Hernandez sa malaksak. Reverse layup. No good. Rebound ng Xavier. Sabi ni Yu, wait lang, saglit. Kalma lang tayo. So, didiskarte. Uy, Benedicto to you. What an extra pass. Kick out, Top of the key, 4-3. In and out. Rebound by number 19. Block by Esomchi. Oy! Sayang. Out of bounds. Bola na mapupunta sa Xavier. Yu to Cho. Cho. Didepensahan ni Hernandez. Cho nakalusot. Fade away shot. Balik ang Alamangan sa tatlo. Talusan. May tanga ng bola. Hand off to number 12. Number 12. Pass to Binigay. Esomchi, top of the key. No good. Rebound. And last touch. Bola mapupunta sa Xavier School. (34-31) Xavier School basketball. Number 77, Cho. Pass to number 5 to Cho. Back to number 5 from elbow 3. In and out. Rebound by Lugto. Ayun na si Lugto. Ito na bagong point guard. Gonzalez. And that's a traveling violation. Time remaining 7 minutes and 12 seconds. Shot to Uy. You for 3. 3-point para kay You. Ayun na. Logo. What an extra pass. Hernandez for 3. No good. Rebound by Gonzalez. Gonzalez fade away shot. 33-37. In favor pa rin sa St. Xavier. Yu. Pabawi sa 3. Wala. Rebound. Makukuha. Ni Nagaryo. Naganyo. There's a foul. Bola dito ng LaSalle Green Hills. Lodo. Pass to Gonzalez. Gonzalez, hand off to Lodo. From elbow 3, no good. Rebound by Hernandez. Hernandez, extra pass to Gonzalez. Pinasok sa loob. Nagaryo nyo. No good. Gonzalez with the putback. Baba sa dalawang lamang ng Xavier. Oy! Ayan, shoutout kila Ma'am Gino and kay Ma'am Preciosa Valencia. Number 7, pass to number 27 to you. You di Discarte. Pass to number 5. Oy! Here's the board. Basket yan para sa Xavier. 39-35. Balik sa 4 ang lamang. Gonzalez. Pass to Lugto. Setting on the play. Pass to Gonzalez. Naganyo. Oy, what a dipsy dude. No good. Oy. na. Back to the ball game. 4-point lead para sa Xavier. Shaw. Number 5. Benedicto to Shaw, and there's a foul. And the line, jersey number 77, Shaw. And shout out kay Coach Lyndon Cruz. Ayan, magandang hapon po sa iyo, Coach. And kay Ma'am Gina Ong and Sir Ma'am Pasyosa Valencia. Alright. Second shot para kay Shaw. Basket. 4 minutes and 27 seconds. Logo. Bounce pass. Backdoor pass. Gonzalez for 3. Short. And out of bounds. Bola rito. Mapupunta sa Xavier. 4 minutes and 11 seconds. So, hand off to you. Pass to number 5. Pass to Shaw. Shot, top of the key for 3. No good. Rebound. Makukuha. Dinagan. Oh, there is a foul. Naganyo on the free throw area. 3 shots. The jersey number 12, Naganyo. First shot is good. Down by 4. Time remaining 3 minutes and 38 seconds. Naganyo, wala. Rebound by Benedicto. Pinasaloy! Di nakuha ang bola. Ayan na, nagmamadali. Logo. May taka na bola. Stop and bound. Short. Rebound by Antonio. And out of bounds. Time out. Time out. Xavier. Time remaining 3 minutes and 19 seconds. Tingnan natin ang huddle ng Xavier School. Back to the ball game. Shout out kay Nene Morata. Dito po yan sa Xavier School Basketball Court sa Barangay Little Baguio. Alright, back to the ball game. Logto, matala ng bola. Oy! Good hustle para sa Xavier. Steal. Number 16. Derecho. Ooh. Coast to coast to CU. Hernandez. Pinagay kay Paras. Paras. Nabitawan na bola. Makakuha ni Yu. Crossover. Yu. Fade away shot. Short. Rebound by Lugto. Lugto. May taka na bola. Nagpapadali. Ayan na. Lugto. Pass to Hernandez. Top of the key. 4-3. Yes, sir! Para sa tres. May Hernandez. Jersey number 3. Number 8, rather. Yu. Pass to number 27. Pass to Yu. To number 27. To Shaw. Shaw. May taka na bola. Spin. Tumira. Oh! Basket count and 1. Grabe yun. Blocking foul. Grabe, sobrang intense na ng laban between LaSalle and the Xavier School. Official score is 44. Bonus shot para kay Shaw. Uy, no good. Rebound. Makakuha ni Shaw. Shaw. Okay na, may taka ng bola. Shaw. Reverse. Shaw. Atake. Drop pass. Uy, nakapulot si number 5. Uy, Naganyo. And that's a timeout para sa LaSalle Green Hills. Official score 46-39. Time remaining 1 minute and 41 seconds. Grabe, nakakasagot din dito agad ang Xavier doon. Tingnan natin ang hadal ng LaSalle Green Hills.
Galit na galit yung coach eh.
Back to the ball game. Natin kung makakahabol dito ang LaSalle Green Hills. Naganyo. Tingin ng beanbound. Pass to Paras. Hand off to Naganyo. Munti ka na maagawan. Naganyo selling on the play. Pass to number 5. Talusan. Naganyo. Naganyo. Stop and pop. No good. Rebound. Talusan. Tumira. Wala. Tip out. Gonzales. Oh, sorry, that's Gilead. Ayan na. Babasa 5. Ang kalamangan ng Xavier School. So, didepensahan ni Naganyo. So, atake, sumalaksak. Uy!
Sagot ka agad.
Nakasagot si Shaw. Naganyo to Hernandez. Oh, sorry, that's Talusan. Hand off to Naganyo. Naganyo. Ganap ng mapapasahan. Talusan. Pass to Paras. Pass to Naganyo. Binigay kay sa corner. Talusan. Block. Inaabot siya doon ni Benedicto. So, may tanga na bola. Last 36 seconds. So, didiskarte.
Wala, inuubos na oras.
Inuubos na ang oras, but there's a foul. Number 5, Talusan. Last 31 seconds, bola ng Xavier. So,
Inuubos na oras eh.
25 seconds. So, kick out. You for the corner. No good. Rebound by Paras. Pass to Talusan. Talusan nagmamadali. Ayan na. Sinigay. William steal by Benedicto. At dito na po nagtatapos ang ating laban. Grabe. What a nice game from both teams. Grabe, sobrang intense ng labang ito. And a nice game from both teams. Alright, our final score is 48-41. Panalo po ang home team, ang Xavier School. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng nanonood ng ating live. Especially sa ating venue. Ayan, ma'am. Maraming salamat po. And the rest of the team, LaSalle and Xavier School. Maraming salamat po sa inyong magtitiwala at panonood ng ating live. Hanggang sa muli, God bless everyone. Keep safe. Please don't forget to like and share and follow me.